Hi guys, this video is all about how to take in the waist. It's quick and easy and it will make your jeans fit properly. This can be done at home without any sewing machines and no need for sewing skills. You will need a 1-inch wide elastic. Now cut the elastic a few inches shorter than what your actual waist measures. Attach the safety pin to one end of the elastic. Next, you will want to make 2 cuts at the inner side of the waistband. Cut outside of the buttonhole and the button area. Make sure you're only snipping the inner fabric, not the outside. Create the pockets big enough that you should be able to insert your scissors through the hole on each side. Now feed the elastic through that hole. Scrunch it up, pull, and repeat. It's going to take a little bit of time, but eventually you will make it to the other side. A quick tip for you to make sure you are not going to lose the other end of the elastic, hold it in your hand or attach it to the fabric. So finally, once you make it back around all the way through, now is the time to secure the elastic with the safety pin on each end. It's super easy, and if you need to adjust your waist, just pull on the elastic to make the fit better and then redo the safety pins. So this technique is super easy. You can do it even when you're short on time, and well, even if you don't have any sewing skills, like I said before. It's great. Your pants will fit perfectly, and it's just super. Now, if for any reason you decide that you're not really the safety pin person, you don't like the idea of those, maybe you could be afraid it can open up and poke you, you can remove them and you can stitch the elastic directly to the fabric. Again, no sewing experience required. So you will have to remove the safety pin and then simply just stitch in and out, up and down, all around, and eventually you will be able to secure the ends to the elastic of the elastics so your jeans will fit the proper way. I also have a tutorial on my channel about basic sewing stitches, so you may want to check it out as well if you feel you need it. Make sure to make a knot to secure it. So you make a loop. Hopefully you can see the loop. So right there. And you have to make sure that your needle will go through the loop. And then tag, pull. And then repeat that a few times to make it nice and tight. Perfect. And then let's repeat the same thing on the other side. So you make you make a knot on the end of the thread, grab the other side, and let's do exactly the same. And that's it. Perfectly done and secured. It's not gonna go away and it's gonna work wonders. If you like this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe.